Hi guys, today we will discuss the budget line or income line. Budget line or income line. First we try to focus on it. A budget line is a line which shows various or all possible combinations of two goods that a consumer can buy with his given income and prices of the combination. Overall we can say it refers to the set oblique bundle of two goods. We can say it X and Y, which cost exactly equal to the consumer's income. Budget line is the limiting factor for the consumer beyond which he cannot go. Beyond which he cannot go. Budget line is a limiting factor for the consumer beyond which he cannot go. That means a consumer can only afford to buy combinations that fall along his budget line or inside it. He cannot afford to buy combinations that are above his budget line. Here budget equation is there, px multiplied with the x plus py multiplied with the y is equal to m. If we will try to discuss what is a px, then px means price of commodity x, then qx quantity of commodity y, then py price of commodity y, then y quantity of commodity y, then m is your total income of consumer. Now we will see one example and try to understand what is a budget line or income line. Suppose a consumer has income of rupees what 200 rupees. Price of commodity X is rupees 40 per unit and price of commodity Y is 20 per unit. If he spends his total income on good X only, then he can buy 5 units. You see, your total income is 200 and divided by the price of X, then what? 200 divided by 40, then what you can get it? 5. If he spends his whole income on good Y, then 200 divided by what is the price of commodity of Y, that is a 20, then he can buy 10 units. 200 divided by 20, 20 10 ja 200. Now different possibilities are shown in the table. Then commodity Y, if you will purchase commodity Y 10, then you will not be get commodity X, that is a 0. Why it is? Because 10 multiplied with 20, what is 200, and then 0 multiplied with what is the cost price 40, then 0, then 200 total over, then your M is only what? That is the money income, that is the 200. Then your next combination you will see 8 unit of Y, then 8 multiplied by 20, 8 to the 16, then 160 plus 1 into 40, then 40, 160 plus 40, 200. Like these are the combinations, and we can speak these are the consumption possibility schedule. Now after the budget line we have the next content, that is a budget set. The budget set is very simple for you. The set of bundles attainable to the consumer given his income and price of goods. It is called the budget set. The budget set is the collection of all bundles that the consumer can afford to buy with his or her income at the prevailing market price. Equation of budget set is px multiplied with x plus py multiplied with y greater than or equal to m. M is your money income. Now you see the figure will be on the curve. You have a quantity x, you have a quantity y, and then here you will get money income divided by the price of y, because that is a y-axis. Here money income divided by price of x, then m divided by price of x, and that is a budget line. Px multiplied by x plus py multiplied by y is equal to m. Okay, and now if you try to go with the slope of budget line, then it will be also the easy for you. Slope of budget line is what? Del y divided by del x. Del y is a change in the consumption of y, and del x is a change in consumption of x. Okay, then slope of budget line, you get it. What is the slope of budget line? Slope of budget line is the rational proportion between the del x and del y. Okay, slope of budget line is also called marginal rate of exchange. Slope of budget line is also called what? Marginal rate of exchange. Okay, and then absolute slope of the budget line is equal to the px divided by py ratio, price of x divided by price of y ratio. Now assumptions of budget line. If you will try to draw the budget line, then you have two assumptions. The first one assumption is income of consumer is given and remains unchanged. What it will be? Income is constant and income is mass. Then second is prices of the commodities are given and remain unchanged, means whatever the prices has to be given, it should be continue till the end, it will not be changed. Then now we will see the shifts in budget line. Shifts. A budget line is based on consumers income and prices of the commodity. Therefore if any one of among them are changed, then budget line will 100% or surely change. Then first is a change in income. Like suppose consumer income rises by 50% and price of both commodities are constant, then the capacity to buy the goods should be increased. Then now you see the change in income will be affect the budget line. Means before previously it was 200 rupees, you see the P, that is the budget line, and if the income should be goes to the more, means it will be rise, then 200 to 300, then your budget line will be shift to the rightward, that is a 300. And then if it will be decrease from 200 to 100, then your budget line will be shift to the leftward, that is a 100. Okay, then changes in price of commodities. Then if change in price of commodity X, means X price of commodity X falls, then price of commodity Y and the income of consumer remain constant. You see the X will be rise and X will be fall. Previously it will be on the L, that is a constant, and here is the P1. Now prices will be rise, then budget line will be shift to the L1, and prices will be goes down, then budget line will be shift to the L2. Same like with the help of the changes in the price of Y, but it will be on the Y axis. Previously it was P and L, but now it will be, you see, if the income of the consumer remain unchanged and then price of commodity Y should be fall, then you see the consumer will be purchased more, then it will be shift from P to P1 and then again P to P2 with simultaneous change in price of both commodities. Means both commodities prices will be changed, then you see the upward and downward shift in a budget line. Then PL will be shift to the P1 L1 and PL should be shift to the P2 L2 also. Okay, then I think today's is sufficient for you what we discussed. The first one was the budget line or income line, then we went to the budget equation, then we discussed one example, then we have a consumption possibility schedule, then we understand what is the budget set, then we understand how to draw the budget line on the curve, then we understand the slope of budget line even, then after we should be go with the assumptions of the budget line, then we understand the shift in budget line. Okay, have a good day guys.